Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. We are going to do a little wellness check on our cows. We have a couple babies, a couple cows that are, not a couple babies. We have a couple of cows that are getting ready to be due, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like
getting ready to calf.
Soon?
Soon.
Soon. So we're just going to check on them. So let's go. You're stressing yourself out, girl. Is this 115? Yep.
Yeah. What's up, big boy? Yeah, she probably has at least a couple weeks. That should be good.
Alright, so this cow right here is 115, and she is due here soon. We're thinking within the next month. And then we have this one as well, 162. She is also due within the next month. So we're just checking on their bags and their backside. We're checking them out so that we can see if they might show signs of coming close to having a baby. Hazel, you're looking nice and plump. She doesn't like this. Gotta get her used to it though.
She is starting to bag a little bit.
Yeah, I can see. You can tell it's come down, even just a little bit.
Take it.
All right. Guess she'll let me. She's come down. Her bag has come down. She's being a little shy. She won't let me check her out, but she has definitely dropped a little bit.
Should be 13 back here.
Should there?
Or no. That's right. It's the heifer.
The heifer, yeah. Okay.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
We're good.
All right, y'all are looking good.
All right, so every now and then, of course, we like to come out and check on our cows, make sure that they're all good and dandy.
Leave it. Good boy. It's a good boy.
All right, so overall, the check of the cows was
Good.
really good. Yes, very good.
It's cold.
Oh, it's freezing.
It's been raining.
Yes.
But they're all here. They're all looking good. We'll be putting out a hay bale later today.
Yes.
We got two that are due probably in a month or so, if not sooner. And then
These cows, sorry. These two that are due are from Red Hot, our old
herd bird.
herd sire.
Yeah.
Herd sire. So we know for a fact that they were impregnated before we sold them, and then we didn't have a bull for a month or two?
July to August, so
A month. So we didn't have a bull for a month, but we know for a fact that not Hazel, goodness gracious, Bundle of Joy and Dibs, we kept them separate from Red Hot, so they are pregnant.
not by him.
Not by
Red Hot.
Red Hot, that's right, not by Red Hot.
All boys should have done the job.
All boys should have done the job, yes. Oh, you going after her? No? Okay.
He's just doing a checkup with himself.
That's funny. He like moves the tail and everything. That's Bundle of Joy. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there he goes.
Sniffing her.
He knows somebody's in heat. He just doesn't know which one it is yet. And so it's probably baby girl is who he's sniffing.
Mm-hmm.
But he thinks it's over here.
Yeah, so baby girl is separate
Yeah.
because obviously she's a Jersey cow, and we don't want her pregnant yet. We are gonna put them together,
Yeah.
but not yet. So all right, guys, that's our real quick cow update. Gotta go.
Come on.